Hi everyone, this is Manvi Singh. I am a law student of IMU Law College and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So the topic is contempt of court, a global comparison. Contempt of court, this topic was all over the news and media recently. So what actually is the principle of contempt of court? It is an offense of being disobedience or to disrespectful of a court of a law and its officer. Contempt of court is a matter which concern the administration of justice and the dignity and the authority of judicial tribunal. This has been clearly defined under section 2A as the interpretation clause of the contempt of court. The subclause B, C and the section 2 of the contempt of court have been defined both the concept criminal and civil as well. Contempt of court in detailed manner. There is a concept of fundamental rights in our country which has been given citizens, so fundamental right. In Kapil Dev Prasad Shah versus State of Bihar organization TN Govardhana Trimulpad through the amicus curiae versus Ashok Note AIR 2006 SC 2007. The Supreme Court the Supreme Court held that the disobedience of the court would be a violation of the principle of the rule of law. The law of contempt can be thus considered to be the thread that holds together the fundamental structure of the constitution. We all are aware that no one changed the fundamental structure of the constitution as they believe to be the pillar of our constitution. Article 19 of the Indian Constitution gives us the right to the freedom and speech and expression. The right to freedom of speech and expression does not embrace the freedom to contempt court, and while exercising the right to freedom of speech and expression of a citizen tries to assail the dignity of a court or the undermine the authority may be invoke the power to punish a contempt of court under article 129 and 215 of the case may be. So the provisions which given court power to the punished for its contempt. Article 129 of the Indian Constitution, it says that the Supreme Court will be a court of rule, and it will be have all the power which a court has, and his also include the power of punishment for its contempt. So article 215 of the Indian Constitution, it says that all the High Court will be court of record, and it will be all the power which has and it's also include the power for punishing for its contempt. Article 142 of the Indian Constitution, this article guarantees the power to the Supreme Court for passing any decree to do justice. Supreme Court observed in the case of Pala Shades versus Custodian and Organization that there is no one doubt the Supreme Court and the High Court are court of record, and that our Constitution given them the power to punish for the contempt, which power cannot be abrogated or stifled. So, Section 10 of the Contempt of Court, Article 1971, the section gives power to the High Court to the punish for the contempt of court of its subordinate courts. So, Section 11 of the Contempt of Court, Court Act 1917. Thus, this section talks about the power of the High Court to try offence committed or of offender found outside jurisdiction. Type of contempt of court. So, civil contempt. Civil contempt is defined under section 2 clause B of the Contempt of Court Act 1971. The main ingredients for civil contempt is that there should be disobedience, and this disobedience is mentioned here with respect to any decree, direction, order, writ or other processor of the court. So Now the criminal contempt. Criminal contempt is defined under section 2 clause C of the Contempt of Court 1971. So the main ingredients of criminal contempt is publication wealth by word, spoken, written or signed by invisible representatives or otherwise any matter, and the second part talks about the act and which include scandalizes or tends to scandalize or lower trends to lower the authority of a court. So the second one is prejudice or interference or trends into interference with the due course of any judicial proceeding. So now the procedure for the contempt of court. The procedure of the contempt of court start with section 14 of the Contempt of Court as 1971. So section 14 says which is alleged and appears to the Supreme Court or High Court upon its view that the person has been guilty of contempt committed in its first presence or hearing the court. Section 15 of the Contempt of the Court 1971 tells about the procedure in the case of criminal contemption. Also section 20 of the Contempt of Court tells about that no one court initiate any proceeding of contempt. So guys, this was all about topic. Thank you so much guys for listening me. Like, comment and share.